Hello, my name is Shayna Zabo, and I'm a children's librarian with LA County Library. You are invited to join our 2021 Spring and Summer Discovery Program running until August 8th. Stick around until the end of this video for directions on how to sign up and how to pick up free Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit that goes along with this video. Now, let me show you how to use our Learn and Play with a Ball kit for ages 0 to 5. Little kids learn a lot by exploring their world through touch. This activity encourages you to use position words like over, under, around, behind. These words help build your child's spatial reasoning or understanding where objects are located, which is an important part of early math development. Using this kit with babies. Place baby on tummy and place the soft ball just out of reach so that baby has to reach for the ball. Talk to baby about their activity, such as, "Yay, you grabbed the ball." Hold the ball above baby's head and say, "Up." Then drop the ball and say, "Down." Let your baby try holding the ball up and down while you repeat the directional words. Using this kit with toddlers. As you roll and toss the ball between yourselves, describe the position of the ball. Make the ball go over a child's head, through their legs, around their body, and under another object. Ask your toddler to place this ball using directional words like on your head, behind you, or under the pillow. Want some books that go well with this kit? Check out our catalog at lacountylibrary.org for digital and physical books like these. Kits like this can be picked up at your local LA County Library location while supplies last. Visit our website to find a library near you. You can pick up paper versions of the Spring Summer Discovery Program or check out our website to sign up digitally. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.